Finding a good pair of gaming headphones in the budget range is very difficult. You will find many options in a particular price range. In this video, we will be taking a look at one of such headphones, the Redgear Cosmo 7.1. Hey guys, this is Kirtan Bhatt from Gadget Park. Let's get started. Let's start with the build. The headphone is made up of quite good quality plastic and it does help it save from fall damage. The only metal part in the body of the headphone is on the top of the headphone. The quality of the build is quite good at this price range, but I would have appreciated if they had used metal for the grill in the ear cups. Talking about how comfortable the headphone is, it has pretty good quality cushion in the ear cups and it doesn't heat even after using it for longer hours. Talking about the size of the headphone, it can be placed properly in all the head sizes and it has an elastic mechanism which helps to place the headphone on your head quite firmly. There is no manual way to set the size of the headphone and I personally like to remove the headphone for a few seconds after every 30 minutes of usage. It helps me to intake the air into my ears and I feel comfortable like that. I've also noticed that after you use the headphone for a few days, it doesn't feel as tight as it used to feel on the first day of usage. So I guess you get used to the headphone. Overall, it's very comfortable to use and it's one of the best headphones which I have used and reviewed in the recent years. Okay, so now let's see the most important feature of a headphone, the sound. I've used this headphone to watch a movie, listen to music and of course gaming. The bass in the headphone is quite decent but I have issues with the treble. Sometimes I'm not able to listen to the lyrics quite properly, but this can be fixed using the equalizer software which will be provided in the Redgear website. Link of the software is provided in the description. The detailing in the audio is quite good and in the software they provide it has a feature called 3D sound which just increases the volume and bass of the headphone. This is a headphone made for gaming. I have played CSGO, Apex Legends and Call of Duty Warzone with this headphone and I can clearly hear the sound of the footsteps and the distance and the direction of the footsteps. So I can say that it's good for gaming. All this with the 3D sound feature switched off. The headphone also has a microphone, but that is the worst part of the headphone. It just doesn't give you enough volume. You can't go above minus 20 decibels by any chance. I have tried to improve it using other softwares, but it just doesn't work. So if you are looking for a headphone with a mic, then this headphone is not for you. If you are an RGB fan, then this headphone has RGB lighting in the sides of the ear cups. The colors change every few seconds but it cannot be controlled. The mic also has a blue color LED. You can switch it off with the buttons provided and there are buttons for volume controls as well as switching on the mic. The buttons work pretty well. It has a 1.5 meter cable and the cable is braided, so you need not worry about tangling issues. The cable connects to your computer using USB and yes, it can be connected to your mobile phone using an OTG. Unfortunately, the USB is not gold plated. So this is what I want to tell about the headphone. If you wanna buy it, there is links in the description. You can go there and buy it if you are looking an headphone for gaming. If you are looking for a headphone for just media consumption, there are some better ones in the market and I will be linking a few of them in the description down below. The current pricing of the headphone is around 1800 rupees, but it definitely keeps changing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't, comment down if you have any queries about the headphone, subscribe for more such content. This is Kirtan Bhatt signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.